Would you like to view a credit note from the client's view? In this video, we'll learn how to generate a client view quote URL in just a few easy steps. There are two ways to access the credit note: by clicking the hyperlink button to open it directly, or by copying and pasting the URL into a new tab to view the credit note in the client view format. Let's get started. To begin, let's head to the credit notes section. In this section, you can generate the credit note client view URL with any status. Locate the credit note you want to view from the client's perspective and click on its ID. This will open the credit note details page. Next, click the More button and select Client View URL to generate the credit note's unique link. First, I'll demonstrate viewing it by clicking the View Credit Note hyperlink button. Let's take a look. Success. This is the credit note as it appears in the client view. Now, I'll copy the URL, paste it into a new tab, and view it again. Congratulations! We've effectively generated the credit note client view URL in just a few easy steps. Want to learn more tips and tricks on how to use Blixo? Please like and subscribe. Not a Blixo customer yet? Want to grow sales, manage subscriptions, improve retention, and automate accounting? Sign up for Blixo today by visiting Blixo.com.